Hi, Joy. Thanks for meeting me here tonight.
Hi, Billy. It's always nice to spend some time here.
I really like this place. It's quiet and the air feels fresh.
I agree. We can also see the city lights from here. They look beautiful.
Do you come here often?
Not very often, maybe once or twice a month. What about you?
I come here whenever I want to relax after a busy week.
That sounds nice. So, how was your day today?
It was pretty good. I worked in the morning, had lunch with a friend, and spent the afternoon studying English.
That's great. How long did you study?
About 2 hours, I practiced listening and learned some new words.
Listening is my favorite part of learning English. I enjoy listening to simple conversations.
Me too. At first, it was difficult, but now I understand much more than before.
That's because you practice every day. Practice really makes a difference.
I think so too. Even 20 minutes a day helps me improve.
That's a good habit. Small steps every day can lead to big progress.
Exactly. I don't want to study too much at once. I just try to stay consistent.
I think that's the best way to learn anything.
By the way, what do you usually do in your free time?
I like reading books, listening to music, and taking short walks.
That sounds relaxing. What kind of music do you like?
Mostly soft and calm music. It helps me relax after a long day.
I like calm music too. Sometimes I listen to it while studying.
That's a good idea. Music can make studying more enjoyable.
Speaking of enjoyable things, do you have any plans for this weekend?
Not really. I might visit a cafe and spend some time reading.
That sounds like a peaceful weekend.
What about you?
I want to wake up early, do some exercise, and continue practicing English.
Very productive. I hope everything goes well.
Thanks, Joy. Talking with you always gives me motivation.
You're welcome, Billy. I'm happy to hear that.
The weather's really nice tonight, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The cool breeze makes this place even more comfortable.
I'm glad we came here.
Me too. Sometimes simple conversations like this are the best.